Guys, it's your Vineet here, and today I'm going to discuss on health and wellness. And if you like my channel or if you like my podcast, kindly like it, and I will be very thankful to you. And thanks for the support who ever following my podcast on YouTube and in other platforms like Anchor. So today I'm going to discuss on if you're not eating beetroot, you are missing out on some incredible health benefits. So in this podcast we are going to talk about the health benefits of eating beets. So although beets contain more sugar than some vegetables, the fiber they contain binds to the sugar, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes. I often consume beets in my salads and beet tops in my smoothies. They are fantastic for promoting a healthy body. And do you know that beets are amazing for boosting your liver detoxification process? That's why I used to recommend to my client that you should have beets. Why? Because it has an amazing boosting power. So it will help you to detoxify the liver. So because they help with the enzymes, like then break down and eliminate all the toxins from the liver. So if you have a fatty liver, it's a good idea to add plenty of beets to your diet. I especially recommend to those I have friends who are into drinking. So I recommend them because I have seen most of the alcoholic guys have a fatty liver, so it's good for them. So beets can support healthy testosterone level and estrogen levels, and beets promote a healthy cardiovascular system by helping support healthy blood pressure levels. So I hope this helped, and I will explain you more benefits on beets, so that you will see on the next video, next podcast. So kindly like and support my podcast, so I will be thankful. Thanks.